How to enable or disable show key passes on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here's a click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on developer option. So after click on developer option, scroll down and search show key passing. Scroll down and search. So you will see show key passes is here. So if you want to enable show key passes, so turn on this button. You will see show key passes is enable. So if you want to disable show key passes, so turn off this button. You will see show key passes is disabled. So you will enable or disable show key passes from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable show key passes on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.